this is a place where a lot of science magic happens, but also bloopers. Watch these. And then this little part is going to be the funnel that catches the rain. So just pop that inside. Blooper reel. Okay? Okay, so just pop the top that you've just cut off into here. Have you ever melted any bottles in the dishwasher? I have. I've ruined a whole collection. This one's probably my most disgusting blooper ever. Oh, it's horrible. And it's a good reminder to always clear up. I didn't have a clue what to do with my poison pumpkin after the Halloween experiment, so I just left it. Just took it out to the garden and left it there. And here's how not to do static electricity. Okay.
Pull it closer to you.
Like that. So was everything else out the shot then that I did?
It was right at the edge.
So there's nothing been in it then?
That wasn't in the shot. You
This
could
is
see
where I
yourself
need
cutting.
to see it. I didn't know it wasn't in the shot.
Yeah, we've all done it again.
That's better. You're flying. Flying. I'm gonna try another balloon. Okay, so now I'm going to rub the balloon on my jumper. Working yet? What on earth is happening?
Too big?
What?
Were they just too big?
Does it not look very good?
No, are the bats
It's
just
worked
too big?
before. It's worked
That
before.
size?
Yeah, it's worked before. Did it not really work?
The wings flap a wee bit, but it didn't. I thought they were going to do not actually lift off
They
the
have
desk.
done, they have done. Yeah, maybe it's my jumper. Well, we'll have to do. Did it work
I don't think it was,
at all?
I don't think it was impressive enough.
I made all these mistakes so you don't have to, but maybe you have. Type blooper in the comments if you recognise any of those. And keep watching this channel, see if you can spot any more. Get subscribed.